What's going on, everybody? Snake River here, but definitely not on the Snake River. We are looking for trout right here across the street from Walmart. As a matter of fact, right here. Urban trout fishing at its finest. Looking for some bait, of course, for sturgeon. We do have fish in there. That's a good little spot. Gonna hit a few spots this whole journey. Got a few hours to kill. Let's hopefully get some trout, man. Some good ones. First cast. Look at this, is a nice size rainbow. Look at that. The only problem is he swallowed the shit out of that treble hook. Oh yeah. Urban trout fishing right here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that hook back, but at least I got another pack. But there we go. Nice little bow. I was gonna fish with some salmon eggs, so I caught it with. I'm gonna throw a little trout bag in there as well. So pink is it. Go, rainbow number 2. They're swallowing my little hooks, I'll tell you that. There we go. My third little rainbow. And they all just swallowed the shit out of it. And I just had a gentleman here give me a trout with his daughter. Shout out to him. But I'm gonna pack this up, call it a night, get home, finish some laundry before the wife gets home. But I'll give you a little glance of what. There you go. That's what we're fishing at right there. Just a little creek. These all come out of Wilson's Pond. I can't catch them there, but I can catch them here. But anyway, thanks for watching this little trout episode, and hopefully this weekend we'll be on some sturgeon. We out here.